India vs Afghanistan ODI Series 2026 third ODI match. Both team best playing 11 and match details. Date 19 June. Time 1:30 p.m. Venue Chithambaram Stadium, Chennai. Afghanistan team best playing 11. Number 1 Ibrahim Zadran. Number 2 Dravish Rasuli. Number 3 Rehmanullah Gurbaz. Number 4 Rahmat Shah. Number 5 Hazmatullah Shahidi. Number 6 Muhammad Nabi. Number 7 Azmatullah Umarzai. Number 8 Rashid Khan. Number 9 Mujibur Rahman. Number 10 Fazal Haq Faruqi. Number 11 Farid Malik. Indian team best playing 11. Number 1 Yashasvi Jaiswal. Number 2 Shubman Gill. Number 3 Ishan Kishan. Number 4 Shreyas Iyer. Number 5 KL Rahul. Number 6 Washington Sundar. Number 7 Nitish Kumar Reddy. Number 8 Kuldeep Yadav. Number 9 Prince Yadav. Number 10 Gurnur Brar. Number 11 Ashdeep Singh.